You can make your heart feel something that it won't. And even in the dark, in these final hours, I will lay down my heart and I will feel the power. But you won't, no, you won't. 'Cause I can't make you love me if you don't. When you don't, I close my eyes, 'cause then I don't see the love you don't feel when you're holding me. Morning will come and I'll do what's right. Just give me till then to give up this fight, and I will give up this fight. Cause I can't make you love me if you don't. And you can make your heart feel something that it won't. Deep in the dark, in these final hours, I will lay down my heart and I will feel the power. But you won't, no, you won't. 'Cause I can't make you love me when you don't. When you don't. When you don't.
Well done, Sienna, well done. Louise, what did you think of Sienna's performance?
Sienna, it is so lovely to watch you each week, because each week you are just getting stronger and stronger and stronger. And again, this week you upped your vocal from last week and you're just improving week by week, and that is what this competition is all about. You've got a really lovely low register, and I think, you know, that's definitely one of your strengths. But I know obviously this week you worked on kind of putting those little falsetto bits in, and again, I've said it to someone else tonight, but it is lovely to see you exploring your voice and seeing what you can do, and I want you to carry on doing that going forward in the competition. You added in, you know, the light and shade just to try and reflect the emotion in the song. So yeah, I thought it was a lovely performance. Keep going the way you're going. Well done.
Kelly, what did you think of Sienna's performance?
I thought that was a really beautiful vocal. You are one of the most enthusiastic people, I think, that I've worked with, and that just comes through in your performances every week. You are improving so much, and it just shows that, you know, with hard work and dedication you can achieve anything you set your mind to, and I think you're sort of like proof of that. In how far you've come in such a short time. I think you really grasped the theme this week. You took on quite an emotional song and you interpreted it in your own emotional way, and you conveyed that in the song, which was just fantastic. I love the thickness in your lower register, but it was really nice to hear you go into that falsetto and show something else that you can do, because we haven't seen that side of you as of yet. So the fact that you're continuing to grow and the fact that you're pulling all these new things out of the bag is just commendable. So just keep doing what you're doing. You're definitely on the right path and you're definitely going in the right direction. Well done, lovely.
Yes, Sienna, like, you surprised me so much, because I mean, I got to have a little bit of a listen to this at the beginning of the week when you was first practicing it and stuff, and I said to you then that, oh my god, no, this is too much too soon. I don't think you should be taking on a song like that yet. And then weirdly enough, after your work and your hard work all week with the lessons you've had with Louise, it's come out once again and been absolutely on form. And this is what surprised me with you. You really do work hard, and I can clearly see that by the way you come across in these cameras. I just want you to take advantage of the camera a little bit more, but vocally you're on the right path in this competition. So well done to you.